You click my video because you need a perfect Google Voice setup video. Don't worry, I am a Google Voice expert. Today I will show in this video how to set up Google Voice step by step. I open Chrome browser and search voice.google.com. Now select for personal use, then select web. Now login a iPhone, create 7 days old USML. Now select a area code. Now choose your number. I select this number. Now verify this number. I need a USA number. I have a number. Then send verification code in my number. My code is 534860. Now click verify. You see finish my Google Voice setup. This is my Google Voice number. Here your all message. You can delete any message. You show there are our welcome message, Google Voice welcome message. Now this message time 2:39 am or my PC time 2:40 am. Now finish our personal Google Voice account. Now I send any call, any text message, any voice message. Thanks watching full video. If you want to know which is better for you, personal Google Voice or business Google Voice, please comment and subscribe to the channel so that if you upload the video you can see it first. Goodbye. See you in the next video.